May nag-chat sa akin. Sabi niya, "Good morning po, pwede ka po gumawa ng content po paano gumawa ng memory verse. Salamat po. Shalom po." Ngayon, magbe-memorize tayo ng isang Bible verse. Dahil may gawain kami ngayong araw na to sa Payatas, tuwing nagba-Bible study kami, kailangan namin mag-present or mag-recite ng isang memory verse. So, I don't know kung tama yung pagkakaintindi ko sa sinabi niya. But meron akong nakitang Bible verse na gusto kong kabisaduhin. Maganda talaga na marami kang na-memorize na Bible verse kasi yun yung panglaban mo sa kaaway. Kasi kaaway mismo ay gumagamit din ng Bible verses. So, better talaga na alam mo yung Bible verse na sasabihin mo, lalo na kapag nag-share ka ng Word of God sa ibang tao. And also, when you are struggling, you don't know what to do, and then you wanna pray, you want to quote useful Bible verses for yourself. Mali mo, may kaibigan kang malungkot, may kaibigan kang kailangan ng payo, you can quote Bible verse to them. For example, yung kaibigan mo is natatakot siya at desmayado sa kanyang buhay. And then, ito yung sasabihin mo sa kanya. Or ikaw mismo, natatakot ka. So, you wanna rebuke that fear. You wanna comfort yourself through the Word of God. The quote, for example, Isaiah 41 verse 10. Sabi niya, "Fear not, for I am with thee. Be not dismayed, for I am thy God. I will strengthen thee, and I will help thee. Yeah, I will uphold thee with the right hand of my righteousness." Napaka-useful niya kapag alam mo, kabisado mo yung Bible verse na yun, diba? So, ngayon, ang kakabisaduhin ko ay Isaiah 54 verse 17. So, ngayon, kakabisaduhin natin siya. And then, i-recite ko siya sa inyo, sa harapan nyo, nang walang tingin-tingin sa Bible, okay? Okay, first try. Isaiah 55:6. Mali. Isaiah 54:17. No weapon formed against thee. No weapon that is formed against thee shall prosper. And every tongue shall... Wait. Okay, next, another try. Weapon that is formed against thee shall prosper. And every tongue that shall rise against thee shall... Okay, let's try. A weapon that is formed against thee shall prosper. And every tongue that shall rise against thee in judgment thou shalt condemn. This is the heritage of the servants of the Lord, and their righteousness is of me, saith the Lord. Ikaw naman next, ano yung memory verse na kabisado mo pa rin hanggang ngayon? Ate Kit out!